Got the 56 Bel Air here. Do a cold start. 350 V8 with 400 horsepower. Got the receipts and the paperwork on the build, all the details on what was installed, and everything's right around 66, 67 degrees. So first start of the day. Now on this one, she starts in neutral. A pump or two of the fuel. No choke. It has an electric choke, just not hooked up. Old school hot rod style. But she always fires right up. See, temperature is cold. Oil pressure is building and really strong. Right at 60, a little beyond voltage. Tachometer. See if we're idling about 850, right where I like it. No exhaust leaks. She purrs nicely. Really strong running. Got an AGM battery with the factory correct mounting bracket to put on it. Exhaust sounds great. No leaks anywhere on the engine, as you can tell by the idle too, rev too much because she is still cold, but she runs beautifully.